welcome to my kitchen. My name is Sherry and today is Tuesday, so I have another fabulous tip for you. But before I get started, let me just say, if this is your first time here and you love food, you love fun, make sure to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything new. All right, so today's tip is how to make your own brown sugar, because I believe everybody should always have brown sugar in their kitchen. Because I like to put brown sugar in a lot of different things. I like it in my chili. I especially like it in chocolate chip cookies instead of using the white sugar, because it makes your chewies cookier. It makes your cookies chewier. Anyway, so if you find yourself, which I have a couple of times, where I don't have any brown sugar in the house, you can make your own. So we're just going to measure out a cup of white sugar. Uh-oh, that's a little more than a cup. Let me take this hunk back out. That over there. All right, so a cup of white sugar, and really brown sugar is nothing more than molasses and white sugar mixed together. So you can do light brown sugar or you can do dark brown sugar. So it's 1 cup to 1 tablespoon sugar to molasses for light brown. And if you want dark brown, then it's going to be, which might be what we wind up with here. I was kind of trying to measure, but it's not working. If you want dark brown, you're going to use 2 tablespoons. Let me wash my finger off real quick. Here's kind of the funny thing, though. It's like, what's the odds that you have brown sugar versus having molasses? But I actually do keep molasses on hand, because one of the things I really like is, this might sound crazy, but I like peanut butter and molasses, or peanut butter and honey if I don't have molasses on hand. We may have to do this with our fingers. So when I was growing up, though, in school, every time they served chili, they would serve it with peanut butter. And the peanut butter always had, it was either molasses or sorghum or honey, something like that mixed in. And so now when I have chili, I have to have a peanut butter sandwich like that. And then I also have to have a milk to go with it. Not a milk. I say that because, you know, they served them in the little cartons. All right, so this is going to take a little bit more time to work together. But as you can see, it's starting to look like brown sugar already. And that's really all brown sugar is. It's white sugar and it's been coated in molasses. We're just making it ourselves. It's almost there, but I'm going to keep working this for just a little bit. And I think that's just about good. But look at that. Like, it packs together just like brown sugar. It smells like brown sugar. I have to taste a little bit. It tastes like brown sugar. So anyway, I actually think it tastes better than the store-bought brown sugar. It has like a richer flavor to it. It's very, very good. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that tip. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next Tuesday. Bye.